也有 F16来了 ，F16。F16来了。
Proud to once again answer this year's Airshow. From the early days of the T-33 Shooting Star, the F-104 Starfighter, the partnership continues to
drive progress and prosperity. Find out more. Visit shell.com/aviation.
Roy Fraser Way RV is your wingman to adventure. Visit their on-site
Colorado Springs for the NORAD headquarters, and we are here. We're going to be displaying a NORAD intercept procedure display. This is F-16 headquarters. We have Lieutenant Colonel Matthew Crabb, call sign Chaff.
He's having a good time here on a Friday night at the Airshow. Now, tell us a little bit more about the unit to which this jet belongs to.
Absolutely. It's a 120 fighter squadrons. It's
that you've been talking about.
No, it is not. We have them around both Canada and the United States. You see the CF-18 doing an intercept. Eventually, you'll see the F-35, which the U.S. is already starting to bring into their inventory.
Look at this. Coming in from the left, our F-16 Viper.
Guard unit mobilized for combat in Vietnam.
It's about endurance in the end.
It absolutely is. Someone who's going to help you along. Originally, imagine that there is an offending aircraft. His wings.
Our left, the F-6 get the F-100 in.
Look at those ring walks, and that's exactly what we're trying to do, is get the attention. Aircraft did not see a little more nervous. We've got air defense sectors around both countries come in, take tactical action a little bit further. In this case, we're going to do a maneuver called a headbutt. We always, we're not doing it here to cause accidents or anything like that. But we're going to simulate the flare use with the use of afterburners. And again, intended to get the attention of the offending aircraft. So you're going to see a few wing rocks as he comes in. They're not going to work, but then he's going to blast across his imaginary nose with his after
wings again, folks.
States in Canada, they are in a position that if they have to take
他的表演那个后燃系给你看的。
they'll carry a collection of missiles.